Hi viewers, good morning and welcome back to my channel.
Really very excited because I am very excited to do this video. Just I want to share my experience with this book. I have been ordered this book 20 days before. Due to this corona situation has been delivered late. Not only due to corona, this book will deliver late. And also just I want to share one thing. I am also preparing for the competitive examinations, but due to time lag I am not uploading the video. So sorry, because my work schedule and my preparation it was like clumsy. Please don't mind, but definitely I'm going to upload videos on a daily basis. My preparation strategies also, because I have been seeing so many lot of videos that so many selected people giving advices. So based upon the advices and based upon my thing, I have been bought this book because I need to share one thing. You can see here, wait, I'll show one thing. I have been ordered this book before 1 year ago. You can see I have been started preparing this book. Okay, you who have bought this book, definitely they need to bought this book, because it was like a theory part, it was like a application orientation, all solved examples, means previous year's questions only. There is no concept in this, there is concept in this. Okay, based upon these both books and combining these both books, definitely will get a lot of knowledge. Based upon my experience on this book, I'll definitely make a video on this particular book. Okay, wait for that. Okay students, here I want to say one thing for you. I just want to give experience about this book. Just I just want to give a quick review within 5 minutes video. Maybe it's enough. Also it may be enough, because I just want to give a quick review. It is was one of the best book, and delivery package was very good. Delivery was very good, because due to corona situation they have been sanitized very well, and also packaging, you can see here the packaging was also very good. But the cost, I purchased 600 for this book. I really don't know it is more cost or less cost, but I preferred that maybe this book will be worth that cost. So guys, you can see here I have been ordered, there are so many questions will be based 11,000 questions. Like there will be, like, I think this is one of the advanced type. 12,500 questions are there. So I have been bought this advanced book. Maybe it will be helpful for my upcoming examinations, for static GK. Maybe because I'm also not very good at static GK, but I want to make a grip on that. So I bought this book. You can see I have got scratch card. If I utilize this, I'll just upload a video how to utilize this scratch card. But I'm so happy, because if I saw so many reviews on Amazon that so many people not got this scratch card, but oh my god, I really got this. So happy for that. And also you can see here the paper quality was really not good. It's one of the thing I have been observed. The paper quality was not really very good, but the content which is in this are very good. You can see here quick review I'm showing this, was very good. You can see here all these topics they have been given with clear note, and also about the pattern of examinations, and also about the contents. Very much interested in studying Indian polity, because I have been completed the whole whole theory part of Indian polity. I have been prepared my book also, one book also. So I have been started solving or multiple choices of Indian polity. So you can see here the page number was 171. Please don't go through this, because if you are not have any grip on this theory part, then it is not useful for you, frankly I'm saying, because the answer also is not given in a correct means they are given for this question the limited point they have been given, that's it. Advanced type they have not given. Just prepare notes on Indian polity by your own, by seeing some of the lectures, and after that you can solve these multiple choices. Then it is really very very useful for you. My personal choice is that. Based upon your choice, you can follow that. Okay, finally I'm really happy with this delivery, and also so much happy by this. And also the, you can see here how much thickness is really have, but really I don't know. After 1 month, by completing all this book, have been keeping the targets of after 1 month I have been completing. I'll just give you a quick review on that. Okay, thanks for watching this video guys. Bye bye.